Welcome back to Automatic Addiction. Tesla is focusing on improving battery chemistry. With 4,680 cells in development, the Model S with the revised Model S, the use of a redesigned structural battery pack will improve interior packing and space, extending the Model X's appeal as a quick, quiet people mover. The Model X SUV, with unique features such as falcon-wing doors, was the company's largest consumer electric vehicle until the Cybertruck was released. When asked about the price of the 2025 Model X, Tesla remained mute. The current model starts at $105,990, so anticipate it to cost more. The 2025 model. The adoption of energy-saving LED technology in headlights has increased light generation. Tesla may desire a smaller Model A snout and more contemporary headlamps. Tesla Motors introduced dramatic upgrades to the model in 2025. The broad windshield allowed for a better perspective of the road ahead. If Tesla modified the model's back, it would be more in line with recent Tesla vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y. Examples include a better LED headlamp system and a less bulky back bumper. The Tesla model. Here are 7 unique facts that make this car stand apart. One feature that distinguishes the Tesla model. Despite some owners reporting technical faults, this feature remains appealing due to its ability to open in small parking situations. This car has an autopilot mode that allows it to alter speed, identify obstacles, brake, and even park itself. Autopilot uses radar, cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and GPS to make driving safer and more comfortable. The Smart Summon feature enables Tesla model with a range of up to 200 feet. This feature assists owners who frequently forget where their car is parked. In 2018, the Tesla model. This Guinness World Record demonstrates the immense strength and attraction of the model. 2025 Tesla model review. The 2025 Model X is likely to have a longer recharge range as battery technology progresses. We might expect a 2025 model. This implies they'll get more use out of a single charge while consuming less power overall. This 2025 Tesla model will eventually become more popular among premium electric car purchasers.